Hi, I'm Healing Means. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a vlog in the car video. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm doing a quick run to the grocery store. I just left the grocery store and I thought I got everything I needed and I forgot one thing. And instead of me going home, getting situated, changing my clothes and all of that, I was like, you know what? Nope, I'm going to go right back out. I'm going to a different store. I'm not going to go all the way back to the store that I went to, but I'm going to the store and I'm gonna get this item. And I only need one thing, but y'all know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna go to the grocery store and hopefully I'm gonna get the one thing. But then I'm gonna look up and down the aisles, especially because this is a different store. They probably gonna have different things on sale. They gonna have different items. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna end up picking up some extra stuff. Well, you know what? I could turn right here. Quick side note, always have more than one way to get to and from different locations, especially places that you frequent. Always have more than one way to get to and from those places, to and from different places. So anyway, I'm going to the store and I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and do a vlog in the car. Earlier today I did a YouTube short. I went back to Rite Aid. So last week I went to Rite Aid because they had 60% off of their they had it under different names. So basically the majority of their garden stuff was 60% off. So I spent almost $100, y'all, in Rite Aid buying stuff, containers and whatever. You'll see, I might do like a haul video, a Rite Aid haul video, because I went back today. They had extended the 60% off sale and I picked up 2 more things. Now y'all, if they keep extending this sale and 60% off of garden items, I bought stuff because if I don't use it in 2023, it's stuff that I'm gonna use like from now on with gardening. So while it's 60% off, y'all, and I'm going to this grocery outlet, and you know I'm gonna look around. I'm checking see what they have, because grocery outlet, they had got up to the point where it was 75% off of garden items. Now it's too early now in June. I think that was probably I think that might have been in like August or September. They had a 75% off of garden and outdoor items. Y'all, I racked up. I got all kind of, I have like metal garden tools. I got a bunch of the 6-foot tall stakes, like the green stakes. They metal with the plastic over it. I got those. I got the 6-foot bamboo stakes. I was able to get a bunch of stuff, y'all, and 60% off. Now they have this hose pipe, because my hose pipe, I got the flexible kind, and there's a rip in the cloth material, so now the hose is leaking. I saw this at grocery outlet probably about 2 months ago. I took a picture of it. I believe it was a 75-foot hose, and it was, I think it was like, it was either $34.99 or $39.99. I was like, oh my goodness, that's too much. But it's a combination of having the cloth for the flex part, you know, so the hose is flexible, but they also have the rigid, like normal hose pipe material. So it's like anti-kink, but also anti-puncture, or like puncture resistant. Maybe not, you know, anti-puncture completely, but like puncture resistant. So it's kind of like the best of both worlds. But I want to say it was a 75-foot hose, y'all, but it was either $35 or $40, and I was like, ooh, I wasn't ready, y'all. But I'm gonna check, because I think it was this actual location. So I'm gonna check and see if that one, if it's on sale. if they still have it and if it's on sale, because that's another thing about grocery outlet. To me, really, any kind of discount store, whether it's a grocery store, a clothing store, those discount stores, they rotate their inventory on a regular basis, sometimes weekly, sometimes every 2 weeks. So you might find something there and you like it, or maybe you want to hold off on it thinking you could go back later and get it, and then it's gone. I did take advantage of the 60% off Rite Aid sale. I am hoping that grocery outlet has some garden stuff on sale here. If not, I'm gonna check for that hose pipe. And y'all, if they have it, even if it's still the $35 or $40, I might just go ahead and get it, because I need that hose pipe. Now I'm gonna tell y'all what I do. So the hose pipe have a leak in it, right? Now y'all know what I do. The part that's leaking, y'all know I put that hose in a garden area, or put it under one of my trees or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, we not gonna waste the water that's coming out the hose while I'm watering my garden, y'all. We ain't gonna do that. Come on, I'm trying to get this parking spot. Let me look and see if somebody else coming, because y'all know if I'm waiting for the spot, probably more people wait for that same spot. I got it though, y'all. I got it. All right, y'all, I'm about to go in this grocery outlet. I don't think they let you record in the store. I don't think I ever recorded in this store, y'all. I don't know, y'all, but this one of the grocery outlets where I bought them doggone bare roots. The what was it? The raspberry and the blackberry, and this all I got is a bare root. I got a stick in the ground. That's all I got. So let me go up here and see what they have. Hopefully I come out with at least the one thing that I went in for, and I'll continue this vlog when I get back. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back in the car. I did get the one thing that I came for. That was a gallon of milk. So I got that, but of course I got some extra stuff. I did find a sale on heavy whipping cream, so I definitely took advantage of that sale. And another thing that I wanted to get that I was looking for, I don't know if y'all ever heard of this brand of, not just body wash, because they have lotion. I see that they have hand soap, and they probably have some other stuff, but it's called Live Clean. And when I edit this, I'm gonna show you the old container of what it used to be. Y'all, why I can't just get a vlog in the car where y'all can see me and not like I be driving through a earthquake? Why? But anyway, so this brand of body wash is called Live Clean, and the reason why I like it is because it's sulfate free, paraben free, no mineral oil, no phthalates, no, you know, nothing like that. And it really cleanses your skin and leaves it very moisturized. So I just wanted to get some more. I can't remember where I got it from, when I bought it. I can't remember, but I'm on my last container. Like, that's what's in the shower right now, and I wanted to get some more. So I was trying to go through like old receipts, old like online orders or whatever, to see if maybe I could see where I bought it from, and I couldn't find it. I started looking online, and I noticed that they changed the packaging. They changed the bottle, the packaging that it's in. They changed the size, y'all, and of course they changed the price. Let me see, is it anyway? Can I just even tilt this a little bit? No, y'all, I can't. It's not gonna change until like I change direction. So y'all, can I lean back? Y'all can see me? No. All right, that ain't gonna work either. So it's called Live Clean. Now the specific variety that I had was hydrating, and I didn't find that in the store, but I did see a few bottles of the new packaging. So I got 3 of them. I'll show them, I'll put them on the screen so you can see the 3 kind that I got. None of them was the hydrating, but I said, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try them. But I noticed, y'all, it went from 17 ounces to 12 ounces. And the price per ounce have gone up. That's why I can only buy stuff like that at the discount grocery store, y'all, because I calculate them ounces, I calculate them pennies, and if I see that I'm paying more per ounce and it's just extra, y'all, I can't do it. I can't do it, y'all. I can't do it. So I did, however, find one of the old containers of the 17 ounce. It wasn't hydrating, it was something else. And I read some reviews on the brand, and recently they said that the fragrance, like the one is, I don't know, vanilla and oatmeal or vanilla and honey or something, and some people commented that it smelled like grapefruit. Now, y'all, I can understand maybe being off a little bit, or maybe the scent is too faint or even too strong, but vanilla and honey, but it smell like grapefruit, that's way off, y'all. But I'm gonna see when I get home. But I'm telling y'all, they trying to get us. If they're not changing the packaging, well, they changed the packaging to make it look better and make it look more appealing, make you want to purchase it. But if you look at the ounces, I mean, that's a drastic difference, y'all. 17 ounces to 12 ounces, that's several showers, okay? That's a lot of showers, them 5 ounces. And y'all know how I be dividing and stretching, zooming and cropping. I can get like 3 weeks of washes out them 5 ounces, y'all. Shoot. Especially if you use a loofah sponge or you know, something like that. You know, yeah, you really can make that stretch. So they changed the packaging to make it look more appealing. They reduced the ounces or whatever the weight is, the quantity. They reduce that, and then they increase the price. So they get you multiple ways. And then sometimes they change the ingredients, and it'll be I don't want to say inferior ingredients, but I'll say cheaper. Just the ingredients are less. Now, another thing that I noticed, and I'm gonna show y'all this on the old bottle. So on the old bottles, it tell you that it is sulfate free, SLS free. The new bottles don't say that. Now, they still paraben free, no mineral oil, blah blah blah, this and that, but they don't say that they sulfate free. And then I was looking at the ingredients on this new bottle that I bought. It said that it's sulfate free, but one of the ingredients look very much like a sulfate ingredient. And y'all know sulfates, they come in, there's probably hundreds of different sulfates. So when something says that it's sulfate free, and you just looking for, y'all, that common SLS sodium lauryl sulfate, and you just looking for that and that's it, y'all need to know that that's not the only sulfate. There's many more sulfates. So that's another way that they trick you. And I'm gonna look up, y'all, I'm gonna look up this sulfate, and I'm gonna see this sulfate looking ingredient, and I'm gonna see if it, you know, if it really is a sulfate. Because if it is, you know, I don't know. Now, I ain't gonna say I ain't gonna use it now, y'all. I ain't gonna go that far, but I'm probably not gonna buy no more. But Live Clean is the brand. They have a very good body wash. I'm so disappointed that they changed the size, y'all, from 17 ounces to 12. Come on now. And they thought we wasn't gonna notice that, and they changed the whole bottle. The packaging look completely different. But y'all, I'm gonna go because I'm at my interim destination. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, click that notifications bell. Y'all, make sure you set the notifications to all. And I don't know, does YouTube notify you when a person does something other than upload a video? Like, do they notify you if the person posts a community post, or if they do a YouTube short, if they do a live stream? Like, do they notify you for all of that kind of stuff? Anyway, set your notifications to all, because I'm doing all of that other kind of stuff. I'm not just doing videos. I'm doing YouTube shorts, I'm doing community posts, and I'm doing live streams. Y'all, I did another live stream. I didn't like the way it came out, and I know I said that I was just gonna turn my live streams into videos, y'all, but I ain't like it. So y'all ain't gonna see that one either. I probably got like 5 or 6 live streams that'll never go public. Well, I got like probably 2 that I know for sure ain't gonna go public. The other ones, I might release them like down the line or something. I don't know, y'all, but I'm gonna try to get on the schedule. I keep saying that, but y'all, my day-to-day is just different, like almost every day. It's hard for me to try to nail down a specific day and time that I'm gonna do a live stream. I just can't commit to it, y'all. I can't. So I'm gonna just pop them up where I can, and hopefully most of them will make it to a video. If not that many people show up in the live stream, y'all, we'll see. Anyway, y'all, like, comment, subscribe, click the notifications bell, share my video, my playlist, and my channel with everyone you know. The video for this hair will go up today, and you probably will see this video probably tomorrow or the next couple of days. Yep. But y'all, be safe, be well, and be blessed. Have a great day.